The numbers in Shelby County are rising at rates not seen in months, from cases to hospitalizations.
115 people to 279 people. That's almost a 250% increase in just 2 weeks' time.
In fact, Memphis Chief Operating Officer Doug McGowan says more than 90% of cases right now are the Delta variant, and that's leading down a road similar to the height of the pandemic.
The next few months are going to be a very difficult time for us.
Infectious disease specialist Dr. Manoj Jain says this current outbreak will probably last until October. He still says the majority of vaccinated people are protected from Delta, but there are some who still are not.
It's really important that people who are immune compromised, people who are on steroids, on prednisone, who have had a transplant, who are pregnant, they need to be very cautious about not getting the infection.
That's part of why he says the way out of the latest surge will be more people getting vaccinated and wearing masks, whether at work or in schools when students return.
I think a lot of vaccinated people took off their masks. It sounds like you're saying that probably is not a good practice.
Right. At the present time, with the Delta variant as high as it is, we are in a very highly transmissible period. It's really important to continue the masking, continue getting more and more people vaccinated. We really have to be talking about mandating vaccinations at workplaces.
Experts say pediatric cases are on the rise too. And remember, children under 12 cannot be vaccinated. Stacey Jacobson, WREG News Channel 3.